That was a lot, but it was coming this way. It was a bunch. It was a bunch. It wasn't high, but it was coming this way. That would have been a good splash. Too far out. See the top of that palm tree right there, that little palm? He's putting it up around where that newest branch is going.
There goes the start of a crack.
He'll break that diving board too. His dad busted it the first time, right after I put it in, and then 2 years ago he finished it off.
What was that?
Nice
Boo!
Shot. Nice shot, Al.
You got this, Nico.